Hello everyone. In today's tech tip, we are going to see what is the difference between BIMSF label and BIMSF schedule label. Here in this project, we just have a wall. Let's select the wall and generate a panel. So we just need to click on create and we can set our luggage still default template active. Let's close and create. As soon as our panel is generated, a few parameters are assigned to each member of this panel. So if I select a random member, when we scroll down on properties, you will notice that there is a BIMSF ID, BIMSF container, which is the panel label, BIMSF description. For the member that we have selected, it is SV, which stands for stud and then vertical. And we also have BIMSF label. BIMSF label for this member is S2, stud number 2. BIMSF label is unique for each member of our panel. So if I select the first one, for example, this is going to be E1 and stud 1. Then we have S1, S2, S3. And here we can also select the kink. BIMSF label assigned to this kink is SWL11. Stud window, and it is on the left side of our panel. If we select the one on the other side, it is going to be SWR11. We can also check the BIMSF label for other members of our panel. For the cripples on the bottom, on the top, all members of our header, and also seal. But we can also have BIMSF schedule label. BIMSF schedule label is not generated automatically. So if you would like to generate it, you just need to select one member of your panel, and then we can come here to our output options drop-down menu, and we can click on add member distribution. There are two different distribution strategy types in this command, type A and type B. Type A is generating this label for all individual members of the panel. So let's keep it as type A and click on OK. As soon as we click on OK, if we select any member of this panel, when we scroll down on our properties, you will notice that a new parameter has been added here as BIMSF schedule label. BIMSF schedule label for this member here is C0. If I select the one on the right side, it's again C0. So what BIMSF schedule label does is that it will go through the whole panel and it will find all the identical members of this panel and it will assign the same label to them. So all these studs are going to be C0. So even the end stud is C0 because it is BIMSF SSMA S600 S137, like the one on the right side, and it has the same reported length. So they will be all C0 here. But if I come here and select, for example, the bottom cripple, this is going to be C1. Bottom cripple length is different from the top cripple length. So this one would have a different BIMSF schedule label. And the bottom is C2 and the one on the top is C1. You can either generate BIMSF schedule label from the command that we just saw, add member distribution command from the output options dropdown, or you can go to your shop drawing setting. And here on the second tab, miscellaneous settings, you will have the same option for generating BIMSF schedule label for the members of your panel. You just need to check off this option here, and every time that you are generating shop drawings for your panels, MWF will automatically run this command and will assign BIMSF schedule label for all the members of that selected panel. That was it for today, and thank you everyone.